one was other, so other, we don't have any activity rate, so we just skip that one. But that is a general factory overhead which belongs to all the factory. So here we go. Customer orders, we have calculated the per activity rate 452. So where this 452 came from, since we are having breakout room activity, so I need to show you where we calculated this 452 here. Here we go. So we calculated from second stage allocation that customer orders per order activity is 452, design changes 760, order size 6.2, and customer relation is 1540. So let's talk about it. Right? Here we go. So since we are having the two products, there is no customer relations, right? We didn't mention here. We'll talk about when we have sold to this specific customer or number of customers, then we add the allocation over there. But let's talk about this. So activity pools, we have customer orders, design change, order size, 480,000. And the size of the order was 480,000, 6.5 order size. So you see, design changes, even though the rate is 760, but there is no design change, so we are not applying here. So here is a 0. So the total cost, which cost? The manufacturing overhead cost for sure start is 4.928 million, right? For long life, if you see that, it does have the order changes for all the orders. We have a separate 4,000 orders, so 760 per dollar per change. Here we go, 3.04 million is for the design changes. So long life cost us 7.832 million, right? So we have another class participation in which what you have to do, you need to find out the total cost for these two products, K425 and M62. So I have pasted all the question here. You can take a picture or you can go to your book chapter and find out 8.4. So I'm going to be opening the breakout room activity. Please complete this in maximum 15 minutes. Okay guys, so let me close down breakout room. Okay everyone, so I have pasted solution here. So all you need to do, okay, let me clear one more point here. So the question is all about, they have mentioned the activity cost pools and their respective activity rates. So all you need to do, you need to multiply the cost pool activity with the respective activity rates. So you see here we have activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we are given the activity rates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means the question has one trick, that is one number of activity rate is given to you extra. Here we go, number of units produced per year, right? So this is a logical, and also a trick, confuse the students that we don't need any number of unit produced in any activity rates. All you need to do, you need to multiply this with the activity rates. So for supporting and direct labor hours, so we have 80 labor hours for K4 to 5 and K4 to 5. The activity rate is 6, right? So here we go, is 480. So I've pasted a solution here. So please compare your answer with the answer here. So now you can say that the activity based costing of the K425 and M67, they are like this. So 1,874 belongs to K425, and for M67 this is 10,540, right? So we can also use the second stage allocation to assigning the overhead cost to a particular customer as well. So we are going to apply the cost. We want to find out the overhead cost to a particular customer. We can use the second stage allocation as well. So let's continue the same example of Baxter battery system. So for just one of the 2,000 customers, we have Acme Autos. Okay, guys, just give me a second. Okay, so we can also find out the overhead cost for a particular customer. So we are reviewing the Baxter battery system. So one of the 2,000 customer named Acme Auto Parts, who placed total 12 orders. One customer paid us 12 orders. So what is the overhead cost, right? So he gave us the order 60 short start and 50 long life, right? So total 12 orders. So 8 orders for 60 short start per order. So how many products are here? 8 multiplied by 60 total. I think 420, right? So 420 total. He ordered the short start, and 4 orders, 50 each. He gave us 200 orders, 200 units of 50 long life per order, right? So the 480 short starts require, sorry, this is 480, 288 machine hours, and the 200 long lives require 160 machine hours, right? All you need to do, just you need to multiply the activity rates to the activities. So for Acme Auto Parts, right? So we have already categorized the activity rates in that case, because this is the matter of customer relations. So $1,540 would be there as well, right? Because we're talking about particular customer, right? So order size 12, per order size is $452. So it means our customer order cost going to be $5,424. Design changes only for long life. He placed 4 orders. So per order, design change cost us $760. So it is 3,040. Order size, it is 6.50. So the activity is 448, and the answer is 2,912, and customer relation is only 1. So where this 448 come from? $448, the machine based on machine hours. So 288 plus 160. How much is the answer? 448, right? So many students, they are confused with this one, where this, 448 came from, because this is based on machine hours, right? And total machine hours are, I just forgot, 288 plus 160. 160 plus 288, right, guys? So in that case, this second stage allocation can also be used to find out how much overhead we need to charge to per customer. So in that case, the Acme Auto Parts gonna give us $12,916 overhead, right? So okay, so this is, that's all for our today's lecture. For learning of objective 5, 6, and 7, we will do in our next class. So any question up till now?
No, sir.
Alima, Ayana, Jackie, Larry, Leo, Mincy?
No.
Right? So the name sounds very, fancy. The activity-based costing, essentially, it is a very simple one. So all the thing that is, really making you trouble is the name and jargons and terminology. Otherwise, the calculation is pretty easy. Right, guys? So I'm going to be ending our discussion here. If you have any question, please do ask in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer over there. Okay? So take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.